Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Lechon Dee and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's episode, I'll be unboxing the gifts that I got from Miss Heart Evangelista. But before anything else, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like my videos if you do, and please do not forget to click that notification bell button so that you'll get notified whenever I have new videos, okay? So here it goes in 3, 2, 1.
Christmas, of a white Christmas with every Christmas card I write.
So just to share with you guys how I got these gifts. So last December 6, 2019, Miss Heart Evangelista posted a video saying that she's going to give away 12 boxes or 12 gift sets coming from different brands that sponsors her or works with her. So from those brands, she'll be curating different boxes or different gift sets that she will be giving away to 12 lucky winners who will post a photo that resembles her photo, whichever photo that comes from her Instagram feed. So again, luckily, I was one of the 12 winners of the gift sets because I posted this photo. So that photo helped me win this contest. And so I actually posted 5 photos, but then this is the lucky one, and these are the other photos. Yeah, looks so weird, but then when you know you're very determined to win, you just do it. You know what? You just do it for the sole purpose of you want to get everything that she's giving away, and I'm really happy about it. So without further ado, let's unbox these gifts. So the first one that I got is this, because I think I have to show this as the first one because this is the most exposed one. So this is a Senso Memory Ultima Plus, a traditional pillow from Uratex Premium. There, so Uratex Premium, and it has this ribbon, personalized ribbon from Miss Heart. It says Love Marie. There you go. So let's unbox this one. Here you go. Ooh, smooth. Yeah. Siyempre, tatago ko tong ribbon, no? Bahoy pa ba? Pwede ko pang gamitin ito pang regalo kung regalo din kayo, Miss Heart. De joke lang. Wow! This pillow looks different from all the other pillows I've ever had. Pero, ang lambot! This one's really nice. Salamat po sa unan! I love the pillow. If you're a tito like me, you'll very appreciate these kinds of gifts. Swear. Kasi the comfort of your sleep is the best thing that you'll ever have the entire day.
Wow!
Of course, aside sa sweldo at saka sa bonus, di ba? Next one. So this is the big box that I got from Miss Heart. Grabe. Alam niyo ba, when this arrived noong 23, I wasn't supposed to get this. But then I thought of opening it. I want to open this big box on Christmas Day, so ayun, I've decided to bring it home here in Quezon Province. If you've seen my Instagram stories and my Facebook stories, There's a story there that where I was bringing this huge box. So it also has this ring, but it's in pristine white box. Grabe. It's not just any ordinary box. It looks very expensive too. So let's open, guys. Whoa. Yeah. So let's see what's inside. Ang bigat. Anything that it contains, well, I am already very thankful. Whatever it is, Miss Heart, maraming salamat sa bibigay mo na opportunity para manala ako na you considered my photo na hindi porket lalaki ako, hindi ako pwede manalo. So maraming salamat po. I'm really happy. Oh my gosh! Ang dami! Grabe! Grabe oh! So, paano ba natin sisimulan to? Tingnan nyo guys. Ang dami! Let's check the first one. So, the first one is this travel pillow from Camiseta. It is her collaboration with Camiseta. And it comes with an eye mask. Perfect for traveling. I mean, grabe, if I have this, tapos lipad na ako papuntang Germany, this could be very handy for me. Thank you. Kahit wala akong leg. Yan. So, ganito po ako. Ganito po magiging itsura ko habang natutulog sa aeroplano papuntang Germany. Ay. Very handy. Thank you po dito. I like this. Tapos kung mapapansin niyo yung design, ito po yung isa sa mga art or paintings niya. Art creations or paintings in his art. As well as this eye mask. So, it comes very handy. I love it. Bag from Camiseta. It's a tote bag. I love tote bags recently kasi it's very spacious and you can put a lot of things inside. Like you can just dump your stuff and just easily get them, diba? So this is a tote bag and it's Miss Heart's it's one of Miss Heart's creations din. It's a painting. So what's next? This is a paper bag from Nescafe Gold. So, malamang ang laman nito, alam ko na. Oh, masarap to. Pampabuhay ng umaga. Wow, Nescafe Gold. Yes. Pampagising sa umaga. Is this day and night cream na Ponds. So, ito, it comes with the special packaging ng in collaboration with Heart Evangelista. Yeah. This from Cherry Mobile. It's this power bank na may painting ni Heart Evangelista, as you can see. And at this side, yan. It's a paper bag from Cherry Mobile and a 5,000 milliampere dual USB power bank, limited edition. So perfect for traveling. With dedication. Let's redefine beauty with Thiocell Heart. So inside is a picture niya. Thiocell. This is a glutathione complex dietary supplement and vitamins. Yan. Thanks, Thiocell. What else? It is a barley supplement powder drink from Australia from I Am Worldwide. Next are notebooks. Notebooks from Camiseta as well. Yan, I got 3 notebooks. Her painting. Panda! I have Panda notebook. And this is also her painting. Looks very premium, ang kapal ng notebooks. So this could come very handy when I go to Germany. Next! Ito, mag-e-enjoy talaga ako dito. Yan, ang dami kong corned beef. Natupad ng pangarap ko magkaroon ng maraming corned beef. Kasi mahal na po ang corned beef recently. Yung corned beef, grabe. Salamat sa corned beef. Alam niyo ba, isang lata ng corned beef ngayon is 99 plus po. So di na ako bumibili ng corned beef. Buti na nanalo ako ng corned beef. Next is, mukhang magkakasama pa kami ni Miss Hart sa shower. Kasi may cream silk ako dito, conditioner. Pero since mahaba na yung buhok ko, kailangan ko na rin to kasi para ma-maintain ko yung pagiging straight ng buhok. Next are feminine mists from Beauty Library. So, antibacterial and odor neutralizer for your intimate area. Mukhang hindi ko naman magagamit to. So, maybe I'll just give this to my two very beautiful cousins. Next is this perfume from Avon. Collaboration with Heart Evangelista as well. Far Away. Next po is itong book from Miss Heart Evangelista. Ta-da! Next is an envelope. Pera. Joke lang po. Wow! Ang daming GC! Worth 1,500 na gift certificate from Extraordinary. Next! I got a flight voucher from Traveloka. Next is full set volume eyelash from New Lounge. Guys, alam ko maraming may gusto nito. Sino may gusto? I got, wow! So this is for real. Sephora lipstick. Ganito ba yung tama ba yun? Ganyan ba yun? Ginaganto ba yun? Yan yung shade, yan. Medyo dark. Actually, it's almost of the same shade. Yan yung isa. Ito yung pangalawa. Siguro darker itong isa. Gagawin ko ba yung ginagano? Hindi, kasi may baka gamitin ninyo po. These are from Taviant. Yung from si Albert Corniawan na brand. A mascara and this is so weird. I'm not used to like putting makeup brands on my This is a mascara and liquid eyeliner. Yan. And the next one is another one from Sephora. Red lipstick. And this one is from L'Oreal Paris X Carl. It's a collaboration with Carl. In the shade of Charismatic. Karl Lagerfeld. Wow. That's expensive. And the last one in the box, last brand, is from Happy Skin. And then this is Pretty Clean Instant Makeup Eraser. And this one is I Can Do It Eyes, Brows, Nose Line Kit. Yan. Yan po yung laman niya. Then papel na po yung iba. Ito na yun. Grabe, ang dami niyang laman, no? So, thank you, Miss Heart Evangelista, for sharing your brands, your collaborations with me, and maraming magiging masaya ngayong Pasko. Not just me, but also my family. Thank you so much. I really love the gifts. It's a lot. So, grabe. Ang dami niyan laman. Yun. So, that ends my unboxing. I hope you guys like them. So, yung may titingnan natin kung mapapamigay ko sa friends ko yung iba, doon sa mga nanonood. Well, kukunti lang yung makeup, so siguro pag mas marami na tayo sa kanila magpapag-giveaway. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Ciao!
Christmas.